Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add your credit card in your NameCheap account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner. Now select account and now select profile. Now get on your left side, scroll down till the last, select billing. Now get on your right side, scroll down and select on this manage button. Now select on this add new card button. Now scroll down and right here you need to enter the name which is also have to be on your card, and then you have to enter here your card number, here the expiration month, here the expiration year, and here the CVV. And right here you need to again enter the card name, and after that you need to scroll down and you can also fill up this billing address details, which is also optional, so it all depends on you. And after filling all of these details which is mentioned above, you just need to select on this button right here and then select on save changes, and that's how you guys can successfully add your credit card in your NameCheap account. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.